regarding this MCA. I guess from 2022 there will be next examination. No MCA will be there. Okay. So very good evening, everyone. Let's start our today's meeting regarding the Supreme Court hearing update regarding our case. Like me and Arman Bhai have told you that IFMS along with IAFMSE already filed this case for all the students regarding the grace marks and the you may say it's one-time exemption as well. It's not exactly one-time exemption. I'll just put on the points what we have put in the case. So that's what we filed the case on 11th of this May, and then finally it got registered, and on 27th it got registered. And as we requested Supreme Court, right now only Supreme Court vacation batch is listening to the cases, that too on a specific 2 or 3 days, and they are taking extremely urgent cases only. So we've requested them to just list this case, because this case is related to thousands of doctors, and it is affecting lakhs of Indian citizens' life as well. So we have basically put the PIL. There's a difference between PIL and writ petition. So we've put the PIL. PIL is public interest litigation. It covers a lot of people. There is one more case which was filed. It was like a writ petition. So both the cases are listed tomorrow only. Our case listed on number 32, and the second case which was filed by some other people, those who are, it is also related with FMG, that is listed in number 33. So that is a writ petition, and ours is PIL. So both are for the welfare of the students only. In our case, what we are trying to put, we just want the relief for all the students. This one act in MCA, there is one clause in MCA Screening Act that a student can only start internship after completing or after getting the passing certificate from NBE. Okay, so that was the case, that was the rules. So we just want government to just give one-time relief in that, and as students are doing the internship for 1 year free in rural areas, so in that things in turn, you may say, as an incentive, government should provide them one-time relief in terms of grace marks. So that's what we want, and that's what we plea in the court. And we plea one more thing in past of the examination, just to reduce the percentage for and give them one-time relief by providing that you may say either grace marks, or by reducing the passing percentage of past examination, so that most of the student can get this one-time relief. So these are the thing we are putting it specifically in the court. And hopefully, because tomorrow there are 2 cases, one is ours and other is also there. Both the cases for the relief of the student, for the benefit of FMGs. So we just want everyone to just keep your fingers crossed and just pray that may God or may that Judge Sahab also listen us. And this our court, I'll just show you that our court case is listed tomorrow. It is listed tomorrow, and it is on that 32 number, and it is going Mr. Justice Nageshwar Rao and Justice Anirudh Bose bench, vacation bench. So they are the judge who will take care of our case. Our case is listed on court number 7, and it will be like from 10:30 the hearing will start, but I think it will take time because ours is number 32. So hopefully we can just whatever we can do, we are either going to PMO or trying with NMC. We are trying, we are knocking all the doors, and at last, because this pandemic situation is there and the second wave just affected India very badly, so we just approach Supreme Court as well for the one-time relief. So hopefully if something good will happen, then it is good for us. So all of you people, please, those who are appearing in this examination or those who are preparing also, please don't stop study, keep studying. We just came here because in our previous live and all the things, when you people were asking, sir, what's the date, as soon as we got to know about the date, it's our responsibility to tell our family members about the update of this. So that's why we came online. And regarding many people were asking, sir, what about the new ma'am, secretary ma'am. She has not joined it officially. She did not take the official responsibility till now. So we are waiting for it, and as soon as she'll join it, we're gonna meet her. We've already talked and
Our meeting is already fixed.
already.
Yeah.
Already we have talked to her through our sources, and we fixed the meeting. So as soon as she'll join officially, within a day or 2 days, whenever by the time of she'll join, maybe by this week end or next week she'll join finally. So we'll just meet her, and regarding that NMC draft and the issue of that our representation of one-time relief was also pending at NMC, which was sent by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to NMC on 26th of April. So we'll just talk about that point also, NMC draft also. But as tomorrow is a very big day for all of us, so let's hope for a some sort of relief. We cannot guarantee anything. Nobody can guarantee. We only can try. That's what we are trying from last 1 year. We are knocking each and every door. So let's put your finger crossed and just pray tomorrow. Just all people, please pray and hope. Let's hope for good result. Let's see. Now Arman bhai will talk and then we'll just finish it up.
So as Neeraj Bhai has already told each and everything regarding the case, as he is leading it, and I am not at all aware of anything, so that's why he is representing everything. And about our lawyer and everyone, they are working so hard, guys. So the point is very clear. All those people who are going to appear for 18th exam, don't think for the postponement, because 99.9% there will be an exam, and as our sources, 100% there will be exam. So don't think
that exam will get postponed.
Yeah, because see, we are fighting for each and every level, and we are fighting with everyone. We know that when there is a FMG exam, 3,000 to 4,000 students will clear the exam and they will enter in the system. So we don't want to postpone this examination, because we don't know, might be it is the second last exam. It is the second last FMG exam. After this, there is only one exam, that is mostly in December. So that's why I am getting so many messages, sir, why IFMS and IAFMEC, why you guys are not taking an initiative of going to court. So guys, already last time in August 31st, we have went to the Supreme Court, and the Honorable Supreme Court have given judgment for those 20 petitioners. They have changed their center. So now this time we are not going to court for the postponement, because I hardly want, and my every part of my body want to.
Many students are studying, and
because we want that this exam will held, and 100% result should come, and all my brothers and sisters who are appearing for this 18th exam should clear the exam. So be positive, relax down. Everyone is working for you, even God is working for you. There is a very big miracle that in this short period of time, when there is a vacation bench working in Supreme Court, this case is accepted. This is a very big relief.
And
we got already we have, because might be they have given date somewhere after 18. You guys will be like, oh, why not it is before? So
we got the hearing date of early, because our case are linked. There are two linked cases. So that's why.
See,
as our case was listed, so as the other case is also listed. So together, I guess, let's see what they plea for.
Everyone who is working for the welfare of student, my respect is for all those people, and heads off to all those people who are working tremendously for the welfare of foreign medical doctors, and we both are also committed to do the same. Okay, and guys, so now we are just concluding it, and just we want you guys, don't distract yourself, just go back and resume your studies. जो भी होना होगा. भगवान हमारे साथ है, आपके माँ बाप का आशीर्वाद आपके साथ है, हमारे साथ है. हिम्मत रखो, आगे बढ़ते चलो, जीत हमारी होगी. Thank you very much.
And one last thing, I don't know about the tomorrow's result, whether it will be positive or negative. The thing is that the hard work never fail. जो भी कोशिशें, जो भी मेहनत हम लोग सब मिलके कर रहे हैं, कभी ना कभी वो रंग लाएगी. We never know what will be the tomorrow decision, but the thing is that what's in our hand is just to try, and we keep trying from last 1 year. So that is the thing what we can do. whether it will be positive or negative. I just want all of you don't get if the result will be
See,
not
many-
in our favor.
yeah,
Don't get
Many students got
yeah.
confused regarding that some people are doing partiality for 120 marks. Guys, see, I'll
Yeah.
tell you, they have no any file. They are just working, might be on Twitter. So don't worry for that. Our fight was 90 marks, MFPP 30%. Okay, so the same representation was sent to NMC, it was sent to ministry. So if there is any chance of grace, the first file which is available in ministry is a file of Indian
Yes.
foreign medical student MCI Gurukul Trust file, and we have committed the same, and we are trying to make it possible for
I'll
everyone.
tell you frankly, don't get confused between 90 or 120.
Yeah.
As we told you very clearly, if government have intentions, they will ask us or the organizations to come forward and to
Yes.
discuss in all the things. It doesn't matter that we are and if we are just giving them proposal day by day of different, it will not solve
See,
the
guys,
purpose. And
here-
giving the proposal on Twitter is not at all acceptable.
Yeah.
The files which are running on that desk is the file which
Yes.
is sending which was sent them in a proper way.
Yeah.
So don't get
Don't
worried
get
about all these things.
distracted. Okay, see, in last 8 months there were many association. They are just, first of all, they went to some percentile issue, and then suddenly they have come on the same MFPP 30.
Yeah, what you are talking about.
But we guys have stuck with the same thing from the very first day, and we are doing everything with a proper logic. We raised the MFPP 30 issue when Ministry of Health and MCI BOG have given the chance, and they have reduced the percentage of NIT PG. We have raised the issue. When Supreme Court have given the suggestion to give some extra grace
Incentive
marks
marks, incentive
to
marks.
PG student, we have raised the issue.
We
So
raised
we,
the issue in the same way that to give the
we are not fighting on Twitter, we are not fighting on Facebook, we are fighting on ground, and we want to tell you guys, our agenda is very clear from the very first day. हम लोग रातों रात बदलने के बाद अपने सेंसेस या अपने चीजों को चेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं. We have टेलिंग इट फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट डे. परसेंटाइल कभी हमारा मुद्दा था ही नहीं. लोगों ने आके MFPP 30 को खराब करने के लिए एक पैरेलल मुद्दा चलाया. नाउ दे आर ऑल्सो कॉपिंग अस, सो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ अ डे what we all want is the benefit of foreign medical graduates. So guys, don't distract, be happy and be positive and study well.
Yes.
And regarding the NMC draft, I will tell you very clearly all the controversial point which is available on the draft. Very soon it will be removed from the website of NMC, and IAF, MEC and Indian Foreign Medical Student MCI Gurukul Trust will not let any injustice clause to be approved by NMC. So don't worry. Again and again I am saying, we will not let any injustice happen to any FMG.
As we are asking for grace marks up to 20%. Okay, it depends upon government what they want. Okay, what we can plea, we are just pleading with them, and if the government have intentions, they'll come up with the ideas and they can discuss it with us. They are having all the data with them. How many students score 120, how many scored 140, how many have scored 100. Okay, so just don't get confused between this, that 120 will be there or 140 will be there. If government want to give, they can give 60 marks, 40 marks, and if they don't want to give, they cannot give a single mark. So
Yes,
that is the
yes.
thing. So at least, because we want the unity among the students, we don't want to discriminate the student. If a student who scored 120 and if we are asking that 119, we have just asked the demand according to the notification given by MCI last year of decreasing the percentile of NIT PG. That's why we put it like MFPP 30. So right now let's
So now
wait.
we are concluding it, and my message to all those students who scored 149, please just study continuously.
Yeah,
and
regarding
this
that,
time,
yeah.
and this time you will clear the exam, because today there was some hearing regarding this 149, and honorable judge of Delhi High Court, he reserved the decision.
But he put this thing that the plea which was there, it was related to them only, that to give this marks to them only who put it wrong.
Yeah.
So we never know na that I put it right or I put it wrong. You cannot go to NB and you can ask for the rechecking. So
Yes,
that is the
yes.
thing. So better just keep studying. If
All
you get any
everyone.
positive thing tomorrow,
अगर तुमको
let's see.
0 से 149 आए हैं, पढ़ाई करो
You
और
will
सिर्फ
get
पढ़ाई
success.
करो. तुम्हारे लिए इफ देयर इज समथिंग टू डू, वी पीपल आर हियर इन दिल्ली. इट डजंट मैटर इट इज सेकंड वेव और थर्ड वेव, वी विल ऑलवेज फाइट. अच्छा लगे बुरा लगे, प्यार करो नफरत करो, we will always fight for all those thousands and thousands of students and thousands of parents who have trust and faith on us. Thank you very much. Love you all. God bless you.
And
Good
please,
night.
please don't get emotionally blackmailed in paying the money, because some people might ask you that you'll be a part of this and that only if you'll pay or if you'll be our member. We are there to fight for all the students and we just need your blessings. Okay? So very good night everyone, and just take care and
Good night.
please keep praying for tomorrow, and at the same time keep studying as well. If the things will not come positive also, we are trying in PMO and other as well, in NMC as well. So we'll keep you updated regarding all such things. So bye bye, take care and see you all maybe with some positive or good news. Otherwise we'll see you. Okay?
Good night.
So all the best, and please keep praying and ask all the parents also, please keep praying. Let's hope for some positive news. Okay? So bye bye, take care, good night. दिसंबर वाला एग्जाम लास्ट होगा समीर भाई, दिसंबर वाला एग्जाम लास्ट होगा एफएमजी का, और पोस्टपोन होने का कोई चांसेस नहीं है. तो कीप स्टडिंग.